Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy A23, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. Okay, let's start by turning off all unnecessary running services. So to do that, open the quick access panel, your control panel, and let's take a look closer on all of the items. If you are not using Wi-Fi right now, but only use the mobile network, then disable the Wi-Fi. If you are only using Wi-Fi but not using the mobile network, then disable the mobile network. This will save your battery power as the phone will not search for an unused networks. If you have a choice of using the mobile network or Wi-Fi, I suggest to use Wi-Fi only, because Wi-Fi uses less battery power. Okay, so moving on. Next, pay attention to Bluetooth. If you are not using Bluetooth right now, if you don't need Bluetooth right now, just turn it off, because if Bluetooth is enabled, it's constantly looking for new devices nearby, and this also consumes your battery power. Moving on, Android has geolocation services enabled by default. So this consumes a lot of your battery power. To turn off geolocation, just click on it and click close. Great. The next step is to enable power saving mode. To do it, open settings, then scroll down and here choose battery and device care. Here you will see your battery, click on it, and here we see power saving mode. You can enable it. Of course, in power saving mode, your device will live longer. With power saving mode, your phone uses less RAM, which means less battery power. In addition, power saving mode reduces the runtime when the screen is enabled, and the brightness of the screen is also reduced. So of course, to improve battery life, you need to reduce your screen brightness, and great. And of course, your device has limit apps and home screen feature. To do it, it's ultra saving mode, ultra power saving mode. To enable it, you need to disable power saving mode, click not on the tumbler but on power saving text, click limit apps and home screen, and enable ultra power saving mode. Wait for it. Great. So if you only need your phone to make calls and you need it to last as long as possible, then I recommend you to use this super power saving mode, because in this mode only 8 apps can be added. So great. As you can see, in this mode we have limited numbers of applications, but I not suggest you to add more applications, because if you will add power hungry application, it will make super power saving mode useless. Okay, if you want to exit the super power saving mode, click on function button and click turn off the power saving mode. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.